our third example, problem statement, compute use two types of products. Product is X and product Y. Each product solved with the profit of $40. Each product Y solved with the profit of $60. Company has two main resources, machine hours and labor hours. So for our constraints each product, X requires 4 machine hours and 2 labor hours, while the product Y requires 2 machine hours and 6 labor hours. The factory has a maximum of 80 machine hours available, and the factory also has a maximum of 60 labor hours available. So we must find the maximum of the profit. So first we must find the decision value. So X we have the product X and our Y we have the product Y. Then we must write the function, so we must maximize the profit. So our profit is equals to 40x plus 60y. So plus our equation here is we have 60 and 30. So next is we must write the constraints. So the constraints are for our machine hours, we have 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 80 for our maximum hours available. For our labor hours, this means we have 2x plus 6y. 6y is less than or equal to 60. And for our non-negativity, is x is greater than equal and y is greater than equal to 0. So we must not, I will have to get the negative because it's in real life situation, so there's no negative value. Next is we convert our constraint to quantities. So for machine hours, we have 4x plus 2y is equals to 80, and our labor hours is equal to 2x plus 6y equals to 60. Then next, we must find the points for our first equation. So we must equal our y value to 0. So we become 4x plus 2 equals 0, y is equal to 0, so 80. So we become 4x equals to 80, and divided by 4 both sides equal to x is equals to 80. Then our first point is our value for x is 80 and 0. The next is we set our x value to 0. So 0 equals to 4 to 0 plus 2y is equals to 80. So we become 2y is equals to 80. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equals to 40. The next, we have our second point is equals to 0, and our y-axis is equals to 40. Then, we must solve for our labor hours. For our labor hours, 2x plus 6y equals to 60. Our second equation is first time, same procedure, we set our y-axis to 0. So y is equal to 0, 0 to our y value, so 2x plus 6 times 0 equals to 60. So 2x equals to 60. Divide both sides by 2, x is equals to 30. So we have our first point in our second equation, so equals to 30 and 0. Then, same here, we set again the x to 0 and substitute into the equation. So 2 times 0 plus 6y equals to 60. So solve the first equation. We have here the value of x and t. Here. Then our value of y is 40. So, then from here to here. Our value of our first equation. For our second equation, we will stop this. So, value of our second equation of our x value is 30. So, our x value is 30 here. Then, our value of y is 10. Here. And we're finding that, so we can see the relative part of the here. And we must calculate the intercepting points. And the intercepting points is our minimum product is the minimum product y is equals to 0 to 10 is the maximum product of x and the minimum product of y is 20 and 0. Use the first equation to find where it the section 4x plus 2y is equals to 80, 2x plus 6y is 60. Then multiply the second equation by 2, as division by 2, we will equals to 4x plus 12y equals to 180. Then we subtract first equation, second equation, 4x plus 2y minus 4x plus 12y 80 and 20. So that comes to 10y. So 10y is equals to 40. You can put it by 10. So y is equals to 4. Then substitute y equal to 4x is given in the first equation. So become 4x plus 2 equal to y to 80. 4x plus 8 equals to 80. And transpose 4x equals to 80 minus 8 is equals to 72. Divided by 4. Our x is equals to 18. So our decision point is 18. Our x is equal to 18 and 4. The next is let's calculate the coefficient of decision points. So we find out the decision point is here. Value of there is 18 and 4 for the second. The second part. Then we must calculate the profit, which is the point. So by the first simple equation is 40x plus 60y. Use the point for our first equality, so 0, 10. Substitute y value is 40, 0 plus 60 times 10 is equal to 600. Point 20 and 0 is p is equals to 40 times 20 plus 60y equals to 40 times 20 plus 60 is 100. And for last point, for the intersect is 18 and 4 is equal to 40 times 18 plus highest profit is one in here, and of course, so one solution is produced by 18 units of product X, produced 4 units of product Y, so the maximum profit is $950.
Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. Bye!